Okay, guys, today we're here at Typhoon Lagoon, and we're going on storm slides again. Marli is deciding if she's going.
You got a vest.
I don't know what to do. I saw the video.
You saw it? Okay. Am I going first, bub?
Sudden inspiration. That's what I call it, right?
Marli's gonna give it a shot.
Marli's giving it a shot at storm slides. She'll give us
What's her charge on that
her
now?
raw opinion. The charge is 97.
Right, because we need enough to go around the whole park.
So here we are. Up here you'll see a Just Merry boat. Nice scenery. Over here, I think up here, you're going to be able to see the landing bay for the storm slides. There's 3 storm slides. I think we're all doing the same one, just so my dad can scoop up Marli when she comes out. And we got a good view of this for you guys right here. It's really not that bad. I mean, it might be a little intimidating at first, but I'd say go on it. Just be chill. Don't overstress it or overthink it. Be chill about it. Yeah, you're going first. Over here you got the storm slides. You also gotta scoop her up. Yeah? No. Bye-bye. Woo! And here we are at the end. There's storm tubes. I got to immerse myself.